Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time stopping by to my channel, my name is Atike. So I want to transform this my old DIY ventilating wig. Yes, I ventilated this myself. So if you want to see how I ventilate it, is an old tutorial. I'll put the link up, then I'll put it in description box below. So I want to transform this wig into a Brazilian wool wig. Yes, I want to show you guys I can actually use Brazilian wool to achieve a full head braided wig. So I've already taken the old braids, I've already taken it down, so you can see what I'm doing. I'll brush out the hair. After brushing it out, then I'm going to take 15 strands of Brazilian wool. Yes, if you make the Brazilian wool to be too much, the wig won't come out so beautiful and it will be shapeless, and it will allow people to know that yes, this is a wig cap. So that is why I'm using 50 strand of Brazil. You can actually use any amount you want, but if you want a very beautiful look, just make use of 15 strand. 15 strand is okay, and it depends on the length you want. That is the amount, because I get this question a lot: how many pack of Brazilian will you? If I use 6, you can actually not use 6 because of the length I cut the cutting. So it depends the length you want. That is the amount of Brazilian wool you are going to use. So you just keep on watching if you want to find out how many pack of Brazilian wool I use for this, and the length is long. So when I get to the end part, I'm going to braid to the end part, then tie a loop, then tie a knot 3 times, form a loop, then tie a knot 3 times to secure the end. And again, I'm going to be showing you towards the end that you can actually dip your Brazilian wool into the hot water. It will make the mouth come out so perfectly fine. Just keep on watching, guys. Please do not forget to hit on the subscribe button, please, and please take your girl to 10k subscriber. I've worked so hard for this. I can't wait to reach more than 10k sef. But first of all, always give thanks to God any stage you are. So I still give thanks to God the stage I am, but I want to be more than this stage. So please, as you are watching, make sure you click on the subscribe button. And if you want to see how I ventilated this week, this full head ventilating wig, the tutorial is on my channel, but I'm going to do a updated tutorial very soon, but not now, very soon. So you can see I'm just trimming the excess off. No burning. We are not using lighter, nothing, because I get some feedback. Some people say that them burning the tip of the Brazilian wallet stuck to their clothes. So this method is very good for you. You don't need to burn. Just dip the tip into the hot water. You can be patient for it to dry. You know, this is a wool, it won't get dry on time. So you can see I dip my towel into the hot water just to mop the body, to make everything look rhyme and perfect. So I had some spice, I had some beauty towards the end of this video. I was like, let me add some beauty. I don't want to put bead, so I just used this fancy rubber. I just added one each with different color. I used 3 rubber for a braid. So keep on watching to check out the final look. Do you hear what I said? Check out the final look, and do not forget to hit on the like button. I really appreciate that so much. Make sure you like. It's very important for you to do that.